Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn CSIT, your easy learning channel for CSIT students. Today we're going to solve question No. 9 from the 2081 C programming question paper. This is a 5 marks question where we'll use structure in C to store student information and display only those students who live in KTM and have CGPA between 3.5 to 4.0. In C programming, a structure is used to store multiple pieces of data of different types together under one name. Here, we are creating a structure called student which has for members. SID gives student ID integer, name gives student name string. Address gives student address string. CGPA gives student grade point float. Now let's look at the program. First, we define the structure and create an array of 100 students using struct student smax underscore students. Then, we use a for loop to take input for each student, ID, name, address, and CGPA. After all inputs are taken, we again use a loop to check two conditions. The student's address should be KTM, and the student's CGPA should be between 3.5 and 4.0. We use the strcmp function to compare the address and an if condition to check the CGPA range. If both conditions are true, the program prints the student's SID, name, and CGPA. So that's how you can use structures, loops, and string comparison in C to filter and display student data. This question helps you understand how to handle arrays of structures and perform conditional checks easily. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn CSIT for more simple explanations of CSIT question papers and C programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.